So the funny thing is, it's been a few days and I haven't even touched my camera. Just hanging out with my friends, my family, going to see everybody, going places, doing things. Man, I just having fun back in the city. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Tony versus the World. I am your humble and gracious host, Tony, and I'm in my hometown. So yeah, I had a bunch of things to do. But yeah, now we're back on track. I am going to get something to eat, and we're probably going to go to my sister's, go see Jaden again, because he wasn't in the mood to talk last time, but we're going to catch him again when he's in a better mood. So anyway, let's get on the road. We can see what else we can get into in the city. Jaden, hit my drop.
No, Tony versus the world!
All right, family, change of plans. We're going to go visit the guys. We having a barbecue, and everybody's going to be there. So yeah, let's get on the way. Alright, gang, just like my family and all my friends at the barbecue, I had a great time. I'm sad I had to leave. Man, it's so great being home. It feels good. It feels like I never left. Everybody, showed love. We had some drinks, food, all of that stuff. But, I gotta escape tomorrow, so I gotta go chill, pack my stuff, do whatever I gotta do before it's time for me to leave tomorrow afternoon. So, yeah, let's get out of here. And I'm sad I gotta go, but you know what it is. We always got to keep moving. Let's go. All right, boys, I'm gonna wrap this one up. I'm here. I'm tired. I'm sleepy. I'm sad I gotta go, but I gotta do what I gotta do. I gotta keep moving as usual. So, yeah, this was a short one, and just wanted to show you what I'm doing when I come back home and visit my family and my friends. And hey, if you guys want to visit Philadelphia, I'm gonna leave some places where you need to visit when you come to the city. So yeah, let's wrap this one up, and this is going to end this version of Tony versus the World. Peace.